Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about traversing technique on binary search tree. There are three traversing techniques available in binary search tree which we apply on every binary search tree. Those are first pre-order traversal. As the name pre-order means in which always data gets processed first and then left subtree and then after right subtree. Means here in pre-order traversing, data, or we called it as a root or data, it gets traversed first prior to left and right subtree. Data gets processed first, then its left subtree and right subtree. So in shortcut way we write here, instead of using root, I prefer here data part. That means pre-order means DLR. Data gets processed first, then left subtree and then traversing of right subtree. The second one is in order traversing. In order, as the name suggests, in order, in which data lies between left and right subtree. In order means in which data gets processed after left subtree and before right subtree. That means in which data lies in between left and right subtree is called as in order. In shortcut way we write it as L means left subtree, then the data part, that means root node, and then right part gets processed. And the third traversing technique is post order. As the name suggests, post means in which data gets processed at last. First it processes left subtree, then the right subtree gets processed, and then at last root, or we called it data, gets processed. So it is referred as left subtree, then right subtree, and then data part gets processed. These traversing techniques are applicable on each binary search tree. So let us apply these traversing technique by taking various example. First we will take a simple example as 50, to the left of 50 is suppose 30 and to the right of 50 is 70. This is the simple binary search tree with 3 number of nodes, and 50 here indicates root, or we called it as a data, root or data. Both indicates the same. Now on this binary search tree we first apply pre-order traversal. As the name suggests, pre-order means data gets processed first, then its left subtree and then its right subtree. Let us apply this pre-order traversing on the simple tree. As this tree had 3 number of nodes, then in pre-order traversing it first execute the data part. Data part means is nothing but a root part. So here it apply DLR for this 50, that means 50 itself gets processed. Then after D it will move to its left subtree. It will check whether is there any unprocessed left subtree for this node 50. Yes, there is 30. So the control will transfer to 30. Again apply same DLR for this 30. D means data gets processed first, so here 30 gets displayed onto the screen. Then it will check for left subtree. As no left subtree is present, then it will check for right subtree. No right subtree is present for this 30. Then it will backtrack to its previous location from where it reached to 30. Then as data, that means 50, has already processed and left child is also processed, then it will move to R, that means right subtree. Control will move to this 70. Again apply DLR for this 70, data gets processed first, that means 70 gets displayed. Then L, as no left subtree is there, then it will apply right R child on the same 70. As no right child is present for this 70, again it will backtrack to the 50 from where it reached to 70, and as all the nodes are processed, so this is the pre-order traversing. In pre-order, data, that means root part, always gets processed first, and then its left subtree, and then its right subtree. Then now let us apply in-order traversing on same binary search tree. Next is in-order. In-order means it first process the left subtree, then data part, and then right subtree. That means L, D, and then R. Again execution starts from root node. It will apply LDR on this 50 as it has unprocessed left subtree, so control will transfer to this 30. Again on 30 apply LDR. As no left subtree is present for 30, then data gets processed. Data means 30 itself gets displayed. Then again apply R. R means right child. As no right child is present for this 30, then it will backtrack to 50. Then on this 50 again apply LDR. As left subtree has already processed, so apply D on this 50. That means 50 gets displayed. Then apply R. R means move to the right subtree. As the right subtree is not yet processed, then again apply LDR on this 70. As no left child is present for this 70, so 70 itself gets processed. Then R child gets applied for this 70. As no right child is present for 70, then again backtrack. This again control will transfer to the location from where it reached to 70, that means towards 50, and as all the nodes gets displayed, this is the in-order traversing of this simple binary search tree. The next is post-order. As the name suggests, post-order, in which first left subtree gets processed, then the processing for right subtree, and then at last data, that means root, gets processed at the last. Again execution begins from the root node. Apply LRD on this root. As left unprocessed node is there for this 50, so control will transfer to left subtree, that means 30. Again apply L. As no left subtree is present for this 30, then apply R. Check whether right subtree is present. No right subtree is present for 30, then data, that means 30 gets processed, so 30 gets displayed. Then after processing, control will again move to 50. Then for this 50 again apply LRD. As left has already processed, then control move to the R child for this 50, so it's 70. Again on 70 apply L, R and D. As no left subtree is present for 70, then it will check whether right subtree is there for 70. No right subtree is present, then data, that means 70 gets displayed onto console. Then again backtrack to 50 and again apply LRD. As left and right subtrees have already processed, then the 50, that means data parts, gets displayed onto console. So this is the post order traversing for this binary search tree. Now let us take another example. Let us traverse this second example. Now on this second example again apply all the three traversing techniques. So first is pre-order. Pre-order means data, then left subtree and then right subtree. As in this tree, here 15 is considered as a root node, or we also call it as a data part. So let us apply pre-order, that means DLR, on this binary search tree. As data means root itself gets processed first, that means 50 displayed, then apply left subtree. As 15 has unprocessed left subtree, so the control will move to 10. Again apply DLR on this 10 data, that means 10 gets processed. Then check whether it has left subtree which is still unprocessed. Yes, 7 is there. Then again apply DLR on that 7. D means 7 gets displayed onto the console. Then again control will transfer to its left subtree. Still 3 has not yet processed. Again apply DLR on this 3. As data itself gets processed, that means 3 gets displayed onto the monitor. Then apply L. As no left subtree is present for this 3, then check whether right subtree is present. No right subtree is present. Then backtrack to the previous location. So the control will transfer to this 7, as D and L has already processed and no right child for this 7. So backtrack. Again apply, check whether data is processed, its left subtree is processed, then move to right subtree. Again apply DLR. As data itself 14 gets displayed, then check whether any unprocessed left subtree is there for 14. No, it doesn't have left subtree. Then apply R. As it doesn't have right subtree, so backtrack to the previous location. Control will transfer to 10. As D, its left subtree and right subtree has processed, the control will transfer to its parent. That means control will transfer to 15. Again on that 15, data has already processed, left part has already processed. Then the control will transfer to R. Again apply, as 20 has not processed yet, so again apply DLR on this 20. D means data part itself, means 20 gets displayed onto the console. Again apply L. Check whether unprocessed left subtree is there for 20. Yes, it's 17. So the control will transfer to 17. Again apply DLR. D means 17 gets displayed. Then as no left and right subtree is present for this 17, so the control will transfer to its parent. Again as data and left has already processed, so the control will transfer to right subtree, and again on that right subtree apply DLR. Data itself, that means 25 get displayed. Then check whether it has unprocessed left subtree. No, there is no left child for 25. So the control will transfer to R subtree, that means right subtree. Still this 30 is not processed, so apply DLR on this 30. So 30 itself, that means data gets processed. Then as no left and right subtree is there for 30, again backtrack takes place. So the control will to 25. As 25 its left and right has processed, so control will again transfer to its parent, that means 20. As 20 and its left and right subtree has already processed, again backtrack to its previous location. 15, as pre-order, here 15 gets processed, that means root gets processed first, then only its left subtree, all nodes from left subtree, and then all the nodes from right subtree. So this is the pre-order traversing for this binary search tree. Now let us apply in-order traversing for the same binary search tree. And in order, as the name suggests, in order means here left subtree gets processed first, then after data part, and then right subtree. So in order. that means L, D and then R. Again the traversing starts from the root node. Check whether that 15 has unprocessed left subtree. Yes, so the control will transfer to 10. Again apply LDR for that 10. It has unprocessed left subtree, so again the control will transfer to 7. On that 7, check whether it has again unprocessed left subtree for this 7. Yes, so the control will transfer to this 3. And on this 3, again apply LDR. As it's a leaf node, it doesn't have any left subtree, so data itself gets processed, that means 3 gets displayed. Then apply R, as no right child is present for this 3, so the control will transfer to its parent. As L has already processed, then data, that means 7 gets processed, and as after data it will apply R, as no right child is present for this 7, so again backtrack to its parent, that means 10. As L has already processed, that means left subtree for that 10 has already processed, then again apply data part, that means 10 gets displayed. After displaying, apply R child, as it has unprocessed right child, that means 14, so for that 14 apply LDR, as no left subtree is there, then data itself, that means 14 gets processed. After processing, again it will check for right subtree. No right subtree is for 14, so control will again backtrack to its previous location. As L, D and R all has been processed, so again the control will transfer to its parent, that means 15. Again on this 15 apply LDR, as left subtree has processed, apply D itself. D means data, that means 15 gets displayed. Then move to right subtree, as still right subtree has not yet processed, then again apply LDR for this 20. As 20, check whether it has left unprocessed subtree. Yes, there is 17 for which is present to the left of 20. Again on that 17 apply LDR, as it doesn't have any left subtree, so data itself, that means 17 gets displayed. And then R, that means check whether right child is present for 17. No right child is present, so again backtrack to its parent. On this 20, as left child has already processed, so then apply data part, that means process that 20 itself, that means data gets displayed. Then move to R. R means right subtree. As 25 has not processed yet, then again apply LDR on that 25, as it doesn't have any left subtree, so data part itself, that means 25 gets displayed. Then after processing, control will transfer to its unprocessed right subtree, that means 30 here. Again apply LDR, as no left child is present for 30, that means data itself, means 30 gets processed. And then apply R, as no right subtree is there for 30, so again backtrack. The control will transfer to 25, as L, D and R has already processed. Again backtrack to its previous location for 20, as left subtree, data itself and right has processed. Again backtrack to its parent, so as it's a root node, in order before transferring the control to the right subtree for that root, data has already processed. So this is the in order traversing for this binary search tree. Then apply post order, means L, R and then D on the same binary search tree. In post order traversing, always the parent, that means root, gets processed at last. First it processes all the left subtree and then right subtree, and then at last it processes the parent node. Here processing begins from root, apply LRD as unprocessed left child is there, so control will transfer to this 10. Again apply LRD on that 10 as it has unprocessed left subtree, so the control will transfer to this 7. Again apply LRD for this 7, still it has unprocessed left subtree, so the control will transfer to 3. Again apply LRD on this 3. As no left and right subtree is present for 3, that means 3 itself gets displayed. Then as left and right are not present and 3 has already displayed, then the control will transfer to its parent. For this 7, as left has already processed and no right subtree is present for this 7, then 7, that means data itself gets processed. After processing, the control will backtrack to its previous location. For this 10, as left has already processed, then the control will transfer to the right subtree for this 10. So the control will move to 14. Then again apply LRD for this 14. As it didn't have any left and right subtree, so 14 itself, that means data gets displayed. Then backtrack to its parent. For this 10, as left has processed, right subtree has processed, then process the root itself, that means parent, its parent for 7 and 14. So 10 gets displayed. After displaying, backtrack to its parent. As left part or left subtree has already processed, then the control will transfer to its right subtree. Again on that 20, apply LRD. Then check whether left subtree is there for 20. Yes, 17 is there and still it has not processed. Then again apply LRD for this 17. As no left and right subtree is there for 17, so data itself, that means 17 gets processed. After processing, the control will transfer to its parent. For 20, as left has already processed, so the control will transfer to the right of 20, that means 25. As 20 on 25, again apply LRD. As no left subtree is present for 25, so apply R. Again apply LRD. As no left and right subtree is there for 30, so 30 itself gets processed. After processing, the control will transfer to its parent. For this 25, as no left subtree is there and right has already processed, so processed 25. Then backtrack to its previous location. For this 20, as left has already processed, right child has already processed, then process that 20 itself. After processing of 20, the control will again transfer to its parent, and as 15 is the root node and its left as well as right child both have processed, then the control will transfer to 15 and that 15 gets displayed onto the console. In post-ordered traversal, always parent gets processed after processing all its left and right subtree. So this is the post-ordered traversing for this binary search tree. Now again apply the same in pre-post ordered traversing on this binary search tree. First we apply pre-order. Pre-order means data, then left and then right child. Processing starts from root node, or we called it as data. Then that data gets applied DLR on this. So 27 means data itself gets displayed. Again the control will transfer to left subtree. Again apply DLR on that 10. Data gets displayed. Then again checked whether left subtree, unprocessed left subtree is there. Yes. Then again apply DLR on this 8. So 8, that means data gets displayed. Apply L. as no left subtree is there, then backtrack to the previous location, that means 10. On 10, already data has processed, its left subtree is processed, then move to its right subtree as it has unprocessed right subtree. So again on this 13, DLR takes place. D means data itself gets processed first, that means 13 gets displayed, then it will move to its left subtree as 11 has not processed yet. So again apply DLR for this 11, data gets processed, that means 11 displayed onto the monitor, then the control will transfer to its to its left subtree as no left child is present, then it will check for right subtree for 11 as no right child is present, so the control will transfer to 13. Again, as on this 13, L and D has already processed, so the control will transfer to its right subtree, and on that right subtree again DLR takes place as data itself gets displayed, that means 25. Then check whether unprocessed left subtree is there. No. Then check whether unprocessed right subtree is present for this 25. No. Again the control will transfer to its previous location, that means backtracking takes place as D and its LR has been processed. Control will again backtrack to its previous location. Again D, L and R has been processed. The control will again move to its parent as D and its left subtree has been processed. Then the control will transfer to right subtree. Again apply DLR for this 38 as 38, that means data itself gets processed, so 38 gets displayed. Then as no left subtree is there, then the control will move to the, as no left subtree is there, so backtrack, then the control will move to the right subtree for this 38. Then again on this 42 apply DLR as data itself gets processed, that means 42 gets displayed. Then as no left child is present for 42, so again backtrack to 42, move to right subtree, again apply DLR as no, again apply DLR, so 47 means data gets displayed as no left child is there for 47, then it will check for right subtree, no right subtree is present, then control will transfer to its previous location, that means 42, as it has already been marked as visited, then the control will transfer to its previous location, that means 38, as it has processed, so again the control will transfer to its previous location, that means 27, it has already marked. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 nodes are there in binary search tree. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is the pre-order traversing of this binary search tree. Now apply in order traversing on this binary search tree. In order means left child gets processed first, then the data, and then right child. Apply, start from root node, apply LDR as unprocessed left child is there, yes, control will transfer to this 10. Again check whether left subtree is present, yes, control will transfer to this 8. Again apply LDR for that 8 as no left subtree is there, so data gets processed first, that means 8. Then as no right child is present, backtrack to its previous location. On this 10 apply, as L has already processed, so data gets processed, that means 10. Then control will transfer to right subtree. Again apply LDR for this 13. It will check whether left unprocessed subtree is there, yes, then the control will transfer to this 11. Again apply LDR on this 11 as 11 doesn't have any left subtree, so data itself gets processed first, that means 11. Then the control will move to R child as no right child is present for 11. Again backtrack, the control will transfer to 13. As L child has processed, then 13 itself gets processed. Then check for unprocessed right subtree for this 13. Yes, 25 is there as a right child of 13. Then again apply LDR. As no left subtree is present, then data itself, that means 25 gets displayed. Then check for right subtree for this 25. As no right child is there, then backtrack to 13. As L, D and R has been processed, again control will transfer to its previous location 10. For this 10, L, D itself and R has been processed, so control will again transfer to its parent, that means 27. As left part has already processed, then 27 itself gets processed, that means after processing this 27, control will transfer to right subtree. For as this 38 is a right subtree for this 27, then again apply LDR for this 38. As no left subtree is present for 38, that means 38 itself gets processed. Then control will transfer to R, means right subtree, as 42 has not yet visited, not yet processed. So again apply LDR. As no left child is present for this 42, so 42 itself gets processed. Then the control will transfer to right subtree. As right is still unprocessed, again on this right child apply LDR. L, no left subtree is there, then data itself gets processed, that means 47 gets displayed. Then apply R. As no right subtree is there, then the control will transfer to its previous location, that means 42. As 42 has already displayed, that means as no left child and data and R all has been processed, that means the control will again transfer to its previous location. As left, data and R part has processed, again backtrack to previous location. As for this 27, left, data and right, all the nodes are processed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all the 9 nodes are present in order traversing. Then the last is post order. Post order means L, R, left, right and then data parts gets processed. Then again apply LRD. In post order, traversing starts from root node, then apply L. As unprocessed left subtree is there, control will transfer to 10. Again LRD gets applied for this 10. As unprocessed left subtree is there, control will transfer to this 8. As on again that 8, apply LRD. As no left subtree is there and right subtree is there for 8, so 8 itself gets processed. After processing, the control will transfer to its previous location. Then for this 10, as left side has already processed and it has unprocessed right child, then the control will transfer to this 13, and on 13 again apply L. As left child is there which is still unprocessed, then apply LRD on this 11. As no left and right subtree is present for 11, so 11 itself gets processed. After processing, the control will transfer to its previous location. For 13, L has processed, then the control will transfer to its right subtree, that means 25. It is not processed yet. Again apply L, no left subtree, R, no right subtree is there, then data, that means 25 gets processed. After processing, control will again move to its previous location, that means 13. For this 13, L has already processed, R has already processed, so data itself, that means parent of 11 and 25 is 13. It gets processed. After processing, the control will again transfer to 10. and as 10 is a parent for left and right, that means 8 and 13, as left has processed, right child has processed, then data, that means 10 gets processed. After processing, the control will again transfer to its parent. Again for this 27, its left subtree has processed, then the control will transfer to right subtree. Again apply LRD for this 38. As no left subtree is there, then the control will transfer to right child. As 42 is the right of 38, so again apply LRD for this 42. As no left subtree is there, then the control will transfer to its right subtree. That means the control will move to 47. Again apply LRD. As no left subtree is there for 47, no right subtree is present for 47, then data itself, that means 47 gets displayed. After displaying 47, control will transfer to its parent, and for this 42, no left subtree is there and right has processed, then 42 means root itself gets processed. After processing, the control will again transfer to its previous location. For this 38, it's a parent of no left subtree and 42. So as left and right has processed, so now 38 gets processed. Then after processing, control will again transfer to this 27, which is the parent for 10 and 38. As all the left and right subtree has processed, so 27 itself gets processed. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the post order traversing of this binary search tree.